జై శ్రీరామ్. యజ్ఞ అంటే ఏమిటి? వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇస్ ఎ యజ్ఞ? Most people think that yajna means you have to slit the neck of a goat, horse, cow, Ashwamedha. Naramedha, some idiots are saying you have to slaughter a man, a human being. Now, this is the problem because most of us Hindus have never studied anything, and nor do we make an effort to know who are the people who have studied it. Well, Dayananda Saraswati, founder of Arya Samaj, he is, in my opinion, the most authoritative scholar of the Vedas in modern times. Another one is Aurobindo. Okay, Yajna, Vakvai Yajna. The Veda says Vakvai Yajna. Your speech itself is Yajna. The English word sacrifice is not an equivalent for Yajna, because the word sacrifice connotes slitting necks, killing something. So Yajna is not at all killing anything. Okay, Vakvai Yajna. Your life is a yajna. Manishi Jivitame yajnam. The Veda says a man's life is a yajna. Man himself is a yajna. You yourself are a yajna. Because our lives are interdependent. There is no such thing as independence. It's a silly concept. We are all interdependent. Interconnected and interdependent. That's why you have this butterfly theory, chaos theory. Okay, now... And now, please also make a note. The Veda says that Saptarishis are within you. In fact, in your face. Saptarishis. See, Vedas can be taken literally, but in the literal sense also, it does not mean you have to kill somebody. So, Adhvara, Antakaya, Goghatam, all these words indicate that Pashun Pahi. The Veda is repeatedly saying, protect animals. How can it be self-contradictory? The same book cannot say, the same scripture cannot say protect and then slaughter. This is possible in the desert cult books. Okay. So the Saptarishis are basically, please understand, the 2 eyes, the nostrils, 2 ears and the mouth. These 7 must do yajna, which means parupakaram, which means because our lives are interdependent, our very existence is proof that so many people have contributed to our existence. The food that we eat, the clothes that we wear, everything. We are indebted to everybody. In fact, I'm wearing the glasses. I do not know who's the scientist who invented the, glass and all that. So our lives are interdependent. We are under a mountain of gratitude. We are indebted to everybody. So your Saptarishis, which are there in the face, are supposed to do yajna, which means to you,